Hello everyone, welcome to the Linux command tutorial series. Today we are talking about the uptime command in Linux. It's simple yet crucial for system administrator and developers working on a Linux system like Rocky Linux. Let's break it down to and see how you can use it in a practical scenarios. The uptime command is quick way to check how long your system has been running. Man uptime, how many users are logged in and the system load average over last uh, past 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. This information is vital for understanding your system performance, health and stability. When you run command uptime, you will see output like this. The first displays the current time, exact time for the command use was run. You can see the timing. It's 3:50:35. It shows in 24 hours clock time. And then it shows the uptime. The system has been running for 49 minutes. And the next column shows the user who are currently number of user logged into the system. And the next is the load average. The system load in last 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes. As of now, nothing is running on my system, so the load is very less. In real world scenario, imagine you are an admin checking the uptime of your server after a system failure. If the system has been running for a days or a week without a issue, it likely be stable. If if the uptime is only for a few hours, it could indicate a recent reboot, which might point to an underlying issue. This quick check helps you correlate system behavior with the uptime. Let us see the next option in uptime P. To display the uptime in more readable format, you can use -P option. The output looks like this. This is more human friendly version of the output, which can be particularly useful when communicating system status to a non-technical stakeholders. My system is up from last 50 minutes. If you are preparing a report for a upper management or showing the health of the server to a team, Uptime P gives a more conscious and understandable format. For example, instead of seeing a technical details like load average, uh, you might just need to show only the system has been running for last 50 minutes. Then this command is very useful. Next option is -S. This is another useful option which shows the exact start time of the system when it was last booted. It shows the time, date and the time. This tells you exactly when the system was last rebooted, which is useful for troubleshooting or checking the status of scheduled reboot. This scenario, let's take a scenario like, let's say you are managing a critical server and the service unexpectedly crash. By running uptime-s, you can quickly check the last reboot time. If it's recent, it could indicate that the reboot might be related to a crash. You can then check the logs around that and around that particular time for further investigation. Next option we see is that -V. If you want to check the version of the uptime command, you are using -V, capital V as the option, and this displays the output like this. This is useful when you are managing multiple systems and want to ensure consistency in your monitoring tools across different Linux version or a distribution. In real world scenario, if you are troubleshooting a version mismatch between a tool on different system, running uptime-v can help verify that all systems are using the same version of Uptime. This ensures you are not facing issue due to outdated or inconsistent tool. So that's how the Uptime command and its option can be useful in everyday Linux system management, whether you are monitoring a system health, troubleshooting, or auditing a uptime. This simple command provides a crucial insight into your system performance. It's a must know for both system admin and a developer who are working with the Linux system like Rocky Linux. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. If you have any questions or topics you would like to me cover, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.